The best thing about Hypestar is the commitment we put into finding the best solution for digital skills training, helping people go in the extra mile, and really helping businesses to succeed in the digital skills gap that they've analysed. It helps businesses bridge that gap by helping them understand where they are right now and where they want to be, what they want to achieve with their business, how they want to promote it, how they want to tell their story online. We have a lot of experience within the online marketing world in digital skills, so we're able to see what that journey looks like, and then we help that business take that journey. I'm passionate about helping others with digital skills because I think every business is in the best place to tell their own story, to tell their own narrative about what message they want to put out there. On the Digital Hype course, attendees can expect to learn about what is available within social media, how they can come up with great ideas for generating content, and how they can measure the effectiveness of that content to essentially see what they need to do it, and to make sure it works. Businesses should take part in the Digital Hype part of Going for Growth because it helps them bridge that gap. Wherever they are right now in their digital journey, it helps them to accelerate, grow faster, and be stronger. It's a more sustainable level of growth. The best results a business could expect working with Hypestar is to quite literally explode in the online market. Whatever a business is looking to achieve, whether it's to cover the entire Northeast, whether it's to work across the UK, or whether it's to work globally, they are only limited by how much effort they want to put in. Social media is a great option to promote all businesses. We help businesses do that really simply, really cheaply, and really well.